This tutorial will guide you through how to view task reports in StaffViz. To view detailed reports for specific tasks, navigate to the Projects and Tasks module and click the Tasks section from the drop-down. This will open the Tasks panel, and you can manage all the tasks directly from this panel. First, select the project you want to manage tasks for. Once the project is selected, you can see the list of existing tasks created under the project you have just selected. In case there are a lot of tasks, you can use this search bar to search the task by the name. Here, you can change how you want to view the tasks, sort them, and manage filters. Further, you can import or export the tasks. These options allow you to migrate data to and from the StaffViz. And if you want to delete the mutable tasks, you can just select the task to be deleted and click the Delete button to get rid of unnecessary tasks. List table on StaffViz showcases the task title in the first column. Here, if we move next, the task progress can be observed in percentage. Assignees section showcase the members to whom this task is assigned. In the status section, you can, if the task is pending, in progress, or completed. Bill is the total amount to be charged to the client. The cost showcases the expenses incurred. Next, we have the allocated time for the course, the total time spent on the task. Till now. Here's the due date for this task, and the next section shows when the last activity was recorded on this task. Lastly, we have these action buttons that upon clicking reveal a further 3 options. We'll cover the first one in this video. Clicking the info button will provide you with this panel with all the details about the task. Starting with this section that provides the same details we just saw in the list view table. The graph shows the allocated and time spent. But the interesting part is here. If you scroll down a bit, you can see the name, time spent, activity, cost bill, and progress of each assignee separately regarding this task. And if you want, you can also export the data to your device for this task by clicking this button. That's how you can view task reports and make informed decisions. Keep watching for more updates on StaffViz.